Welcome back. Once we complete the design pages stage, we can then move on to the communication stage. And what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be designing the emails that individuals will get specifically when it comes to our campaign. Now these emails will be sent by the upviral system or whichever messaging system that we set up in our settings. And in an earlier video, what we did was we used upviral for our outgoing email. Again, what we can also do is to use some of the other services to connect to upviral to send the messages on our behalf. So what we're going to be customizing are the main emails and then the reward emails that get sent when an individual reaches an incentive or the grand prize. So in order to edit these messages, what we'll need to do is to click on the Edit button. And you'll notice here that the email has fields that are filled in, and we can insert other fields where we want them. So for example, we can insert total points, name of the participant, email address of the participant, and total signups any place in the email where we want. And we can make changes to the subject line as we see fit. We can also test send the email so that we know what it looks like inside of our inbox. And we have emails for the referral link. We have emails for double opt-in if we choose to use it. And we have email for possible fraud that we can edit and send. Each email has a template, and we can use that basic template as we see fit. Once we have completed working with our main emails, we can also edit our reward emails. You'll notice that we have our 2 incentives, and we can edit those emails to say what we want them to say, as well as to use the fields that will change with each individual. Once we've edited the emails, we can then save at this stage. And we are then ready to go on to the autoresponder stage. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.